So let us start. We are good to go. Only thing is my voice is clear. Okay. Fine then. How are you guys? How is practice going on actually? Doing right? So keep continue. Continuous practice helps you. So if you if you get any break in between practice actually, that is still okay. Restart immediately. I still remember currently we are running with the NUMPY, I guess. Am I right? NUMPY introduction is done. Now that today introduction we already done, I guess. Fundamentals I need to continue. Am I right? Good. You can just try to move on. I would like to say running notes number 67. NumPy fundamentals. '17. NumPy introduction we already done. Now this one is NumPy. NumPy attributes, I guess the upcoming topic will be. What happened? Somebody is telling I cannot access the class. Sir, what happened? I don't know. Let me tell you, I can understand. Admin team, they are updating actually. Maybe there should be some reason they have deleted. Only the admin is the point of contact. If you want, I can help you with the number actually. Admin is the point of contact. So in between, initially, if you want, I can add actually. But let me talk. I do have a faculty meeting. During that time, I can inform them why the students are getting deleting actually. I will update you. Attributes. This one is the upcoming topic. First of all, please understand the flow. The flow is important here actually. Daniel, what is that flow? The flow will be team, very simple, sir. Once you joined in project, company will give the data. Company will give data. Ultimately, we need to work with machine learning algorithm. We need to work with what exactly? Machine learning algorithm. ML we need to work actually. To work with that ML, definitely ML need input as a data. ML need input as a. But if you are having the data directly you cannot pass to the ML actually. Then that data we need to convert into. Chappan sir, data frame. We need to convert into. Once you done conversion, then you need to apply feature engineering operations. What operation? Kind of some sorting, group by, kind of some, you have to apply sorting actually. Am I right or not, sir? Come on, one more time. Data frame, feature engineering. Then finally, the next operation will be array data. What data? This flow is important. You know what? Who already know machine learning? If anyone already know machine learning, this flow you don't know actually. That's the flow. Backend it will be follow. Ultimately, for machine learning algorithm, it accept only array as a input actual. Array as what exactly mean? Input. I mean to say from here to here, stage number 1. Okay. From here to here, stage number 2. And from here to here, stage number 3. And from array to what exactly, sir? ML actually. That's what you need to be understand. This one is a flow or else a cycle. Anything you can say. But not, Daniel, can I give data to ML? Sorry, sir. Then you don't know machine learning actually. You don't know machine learning. If you are directly telling client have given the data, that data I am giving to the ML algorithm actually. No, you don't know the machine learning. At least can I provide data from actually? We should not provide. We should not provide actually. ML algorithm always tell, hey, do you have input actually? Yes, it should be array format. What format? Now the array we can create by using NumPy. That's why you need to learn about the NumPy. Is it NumPy or NumPy, sir? NumPy, not NumPy, NumPy, Humpy, Dumpy, not this one actually. Okay, cool. Let me just, this one is a flow. ML algorithm receives input as array data. What data, sir? Array data. So we can create an array by using NumPy. Then we need to learn NumPy. We need to learn what exactly NumPy. You should know the reason in your project level where we are using. Based on that, we need to learn actually. Why we learn to data frame? Because we need to apply all operations. That's what we learn to data frame actually. That too, this is one of the part in a cycle actually. One of the part actually. What is going on? Okay, cool. Very hot. Boss, you're from online or offline? Online? Okay. What is your name? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Just casual asking. Good to go. Thank you. Let's open NumPy and fundamentals. Sir, very simple, sir. So your main motto will be learn how to create an array. Then what are all operations you need to apply? Simple. Array is a data structure. It is a very super fast actually. In terms of the performance wise processing, it will be very super fast. Creating a NumPy array. We can create a NumPy array by using one function. Function name is a array function. What function? Array function returns array object. Interesting, right? Array function returns. One more time. Array function returns. This terminology where we covered, Daniel actually. Hold on. Hey Daniel, I wanted to create an array. I wanted to create what exactly? An array. Then call array function. Call what function? Array or array, anything you can say actually. Okay. Now here is the point. Array function returns array object. What object, man? Array object. Same terminology మీరు ఎక్కడన్నా విన్నారా? చెప్పండి. Very good. Yeah, very good. Map function returns. Yeah, that's what you need to connect like that. Then you never forget the subject actually. Returns map object. Interesting. The next one will be a filter function. చెప్తారా? Returns. Sorry. Filter object. Do you think reduce function returns reduce object actually? I will jump, sir. So the next one will be group by method returns. Generally other guys will other trainers never highlight actually. You should aware. Okay, these are all. Why? Because the connection you already know previously. No surprise now actually. You don't need to be surprised. Conclusion of the story, array function returns array object, man. So simple. I'm talking about array function. Cool, then let's move on. Let me pass actually. Yeah, Daniel. So very simple, sir. We can create a NumPy array by using array function. Internally, it creates object to the ND array. Internally, it creates object to what exactly? What do you mean by ND array? A kind of some 1D array, 2D array, 3D array, 4D array actually. What do you mean by 1D array? One dimension array. 2D array, 2 dimension. 3D array, 3 dimension. Did you understand? Good. So we can pass list tuple as a parameter to the array function. Having the same type of values, what exactly, sir? Recommended. Good. So there is a one attribute. By using that one, we can check how many dimensions we can cross verify actually. All right, we'll do one thing. Let me just try to create a Daniel. First, can I create empty array actually? We'll see. Empty array. Empty array. Like empty list can I create? Empty tuple can I create? Like this. These are all things actually. You can come here. Let me pass this value. And now very simple. Make a note on this one. Import NumPy as NP equals to NP dot array function. What function? NP dot array. Now let me just try to print A, and you can just try to check the type of A. Type of what exactly, sir? Yeah. Now we are good to go. Let me run this code actually. Array missing required. Yeah, it is not accepting. Empty array. No, Daniel, you have to pass the data. Now just try to move on. A kind of some, B equals to, let me provide the list actually. Let me provide L equals to list of value. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now here you can pass actually. Here is the story. Hey Daniel, I wanted to create an array. I wanted to create what exactly? Array. Then array is accepting group of values. Daniel, can I provide a single value? Yeah, let me provide. You will get an idea. B equals to kind of some 40. B equals to kind of some what exactly? 40. Now I have a question for you. Array function is taking single value. Array function is taking single value. Good. You can just try to run this example. Yeah, exactly. Not defined. What I didn't save actually. Yeah, let me run this. Yeah, see. Very good, sir. 40 value. But what is the data type? ND array actually. One dimension array. I mean to say n dimension array. If you are passing single value, no dimension, sir. If you are passing what exactly? Single value. I can make it this one is A, this one is B, this one is A actually. More clear. Okay. Now take this example. Can I ask you one question? In the given example, how many functions I am using actually? Any functions use chestanu? Let me also count. Correct. 3. Tell me what are all those? Array. Print type. Array belongs to NumPy. And print belongs to Python. Type belongs to, you should have a, please maintain the clarity. So and so function belongs to which topic, and so and so function belongs to which topic. You should maintain clarity actually. Okay. Creating an array. Single value array creation is very rare, sir. Let me tell you, in Python terminology, it is called as we are creating a single variable. With that single variable, we are creating an array actually. Am I right? But in math terminology, this A equals to 40 is called as a scalar value. What value? Scalar actually. In a math terminology, we can call as a scalar. Okay, chudandi ikkada. We are creating A is equals to 44, value equals to np dot array, and A is actually, and you can just have to print the value, and you can just check the type of value, and n dimension I can talk later. Out of curiosity, I have written this one. I can talk later. Now, Daniel, can I provide a list actually? Sir, that is possible. That's what we are even providing actually. Let me provide list of values. Let me provide list of values like your 10, 20, 30, 40. Very good. We are providing actually. But here, what I need to print, sir, cheppandi. B I need to print. The next one will be B I need to print. Go back, previous example. I need to print B here. Chappal kada. Why you didn't tell actually? You thought I know, right? Good. ND array. What array? ND array. Good. One small point. Sir, it is a array data. What data? It is not a list to data structure. Why? Because space separated but not comma separated. What separated? Space separated. Space separated. Did you covered Jupiter, madam? Did you covered actually? Have you done practice? Practice, yes, sir. It's not like simply rotating your head actually. You have to practice. Either 1 or 2 times you should get hands on actually. Please install that. If you are getting issue, do let me know. I will help you. I will help you. Maybe one day I will cover Google Colab also. These are all you have to be an idea. But Notepad is the best. What is the best? Notepad actually. No doubt in that. Okay. You will get a hands on. Creating a array, straight to the point. Creating an array by using list. By using, that's it, man. Move to the next one. Wow. Let me create nested array. What array, sir? Nested array. Then you can take the nested list actually. You can take what exactly? Nested list you can take actually. Come on. I just wanted to create in front of you. Import NumPy as a NP and A equals to nested list 1, nested list 2, 10, 20, 30. The next one will be 40, 50, 60. There is one query from online team. Let me take your query, sir. The question, maybe private question. Okay. So what is the difference between array of array and array of NumPy actually? Array of array. Simple, sir. Nested array. Array of array in the sense nested array. Maybe during n dimension I will talk with you. 1 dimension array, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. I will talk with you. Oh, now I connected your question actually. You're talking about Python array, I guess actually. Now I understand. Hold on. Tim, let me tell you. Daniel, I wanted to create an array. Yeah, I understand. Now I connected actually. Creating, good question, sir. I wanted to create an array. Team, there are two ways. By using Python module, you can create actually. That is something like a array module. What module, sir? Array module. Array is a module in Python. And second one, by using NumPy module actually. What module, sir? NumPy module, right? Now this one is NumPy actually. Frankly speaking, this one is having not much functionality. In real time, we are all math support, linear algebra, almost all operations we can apply by using NumPy actually. I hope you're asking about the same thing. What is the difference between creating an array with the array actually, creating array with a NumPy, right? Here it is having less functionality, sir. And here it is having more functionality. That's what actually. Great question. First time I'm hearing this kind of question actually. Then you know Python end to end, I guess, actually. Am I right? Siddiq sir, are you master in Python or what? You will become, sir. May God bless you, will become master actually. Move on. Now, good. Let me create array actually. NP dot array function. What function, sir? Array function. Let us just have to provide this one and a print of B. And if you want, you can check the type of B also. A simple man. NumPy. So think like we are going to get a, so nested array. We are going to get what exactly? Nested array. Sir, very simple. Did you remember data frame? Data frame gurtundi kada meeku? Whenever I am talking about the data frame having rows. What is how many rows? Row number 1, row number 2. How many rows here? 2 rows. Data frame having columns 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have created an array, something like a data frame. But when you're talking about the data frame, listen carefully. Whenever you're talking about the data frame, column names it will be displayed, madam. Index also it will be displayed. But when you're talking about the array, NumPy array, column names it never display, and index also it never display actually. But it is having index. Column names window, so there is no column names for array actually. But by default it is having the index. That's the difference actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Same thing like that. If you want, you can create a data frame. But compared to the data frame, NumPy array is super fast actually in terms of the processing speed. Processing speed, it is a very super fast. Previously, one student asked one question. Hey Daniel, good question. Hey Daniel, I wanted to capture the I wanted to capture the I wanted to capture how long time taken by my program. Taken by my program actually. I mean to say you are running your program. I just wanted to know to run that program how long time it has taken actually. Did you understand the first point? Yeah. So very simple. If you want, let me tell you. But yeah, we can do actually. Sir, we can do by using time module. What module? Time module from Python. From Python. I will show you. You will get an idea. నేను ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తాను. మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. First of all, for value in values, for value in, can I say, list of range of, can I say this 1, 100. Now let me just try to print all value. Valid, right? Am I right or not, sir? Valid kada? Ayyo, I have written everything in one line, sir. R equals to range. Both are same. Are you with me? Now let us run this example. Total how many values we are printing? Started from 1 to and tell what exactly? 99. It's okay. Let us just try to print 1 at 1 actually. Now total 100 values we are printing. How many values we are printing? Hey Daniel, definitely your program have taken some time to execute this example. I wanted to capture that time. How long time it has taken actually? I wanted to capture that time. Very simple, sir. Then you just need to import one small module. That module name will be import time. Import what exactly, sir? Time module. And here you can specify start equals to I forget, sir. I'm sorry. I can still capture. In our project we are using. Very rare we are using that. What is a project? Purchase intention model. Time module. Daniel, where you are using time module? If you spare 1 minute, I will help you. We are almost very near. Yeah, this is I am looking for actually. Start time. Time function. Then next one will be I just wanted to format. So this is the program starting. Here is a program ending actually. Take this one. And I would like to say this is the start time. This is what time, sir? End time actually. Now imagine the program started at morning 9. Program ended 9:10 actually. Program ended. Then what we need to do? End time minus start time. Ante kada? Then you will get the 10 minutes. You will get what exactly? Conclusion of the story. Start time. Think like a 9. Start time. Think like a 9. Program ends at 9:15. Then if you wanted to know the total time, what we need to do? End time minus start time. Yeah, good. Then Daniel, what is the total time actually? Total time taken. Total time. ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసా మీకు? You can apply this. You can just apply kind of some format actual. I would like to say, yeah, exactly. You're right, boss. End underscore time and start underscore time. Kind of some format. I just wanted to display with kind of what exactly, this format is a function. 2 digits I need actually. We are good to go. I hope. From here to here, okay. From here to here, okay. Format. We need to apply one more. Yeah, man. Come on. Anyway, we have a separate project. During that time I will cover. Now we are good to go. Wow. Very less time it has taken. Not even just 0 seconds it has taken actually. Very quickly. It is not even taking a long time. We'll do one thing. Then, sorry. To print 1000 values, how long time it is taking? We'll see. 1000 values in print చేయడానికి ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంది? Wow. 0.03 seconds actually. How long time? 0.03 seconds. This one is hour, minutes, seconds. Let us increase the value. Oh my God, how many? 10,000 I guess. Kada? Will you wait actually? Come on, let's just try to print. We'll go for coffee and we'll have in meanwhile actually. Okay? No coffee, sir, only session. 4,000, 5,000. Now what exactly we are doing? Your program is running, you are capturing the time. Very good, sir. 26 seconds. How long time? You can capture. You do one thing. Create a separate list actually. You will try to store 1 crore value. Create a array actually. You will try to store 1 crore value. Do small processing logic. You can capture the time. Array will be, it will run very less time actually. Sir. That's what I wanted to say. Okay? Yeah. Previously one student asked such a nice question, right? Now here is the story. Display the time to print 100 values. Initially, I need 100 actually. Same example. This example is quite interesting example. The next one, how many values, sir? Ayo, come on, tell me. 1000 values. The next one, how many? Rajesh Garu, end of the session, you can meet with me actually, 1 minute. We don't have a time, otherwise I would like to print 1 lakh also. But 10,000 value, how long time it is taking? For loop spent almost back in, trust me, to print the 10,000 value, 26 seconds it spent the time actually. Sir, it is just a matter of 10,000. Think like being a data scientist, we need to load crores of records. What records? Your processor, it will take lot of time actually. You know, these are all parallel processing, sequential processing. These are all getting involving actually. Sir, we kardavinda. Good. Fine then. You can kindly please walk through. I hope previously somebody asked actually. Then what we need to do, you understand how to capture the time. Do one thing. This one is kind of some list actually. Instead of list, here apply array. Apply what exactly? Array. And apply one small operation. You will understand the beauty. So as of now, I'm not applying that. Back to the session. What I'm explaining actually. Daniel, how to create a nested array. How to create what array? Yeah, you can create like this, sir. You can create like this actually. I mean to say there are 2 rows and 2 columns. There are how many? 2 rows and what exactly? 2 columns actually. This ND array 2, I can talk with you later. You're right, man. You're right actually. So Said sir, it depends upon the processors. If you are using i3, i7, it depends upon actually. Rishi sir, come on, look at my screen. Sir, whenever you are running this example, if you are using i3 processor, it might be bit slow. i7, it will be very fast actually. The output you will get based on, it depends on processor. Depends on processor actually. Make a note on this one. Okay. Rishi, what you're asking, man? Are you asking about this one actually? Sarji, Rishi Sarji. Okay. So can I hold for one of our teammate Rishi is asking. Daniel, hold here for 1 minute actually. Yeah, please hold on. Capture, sir. Take a snapshot and you can make your notes actually. Thank you. Let's move on. Nested array we have created. Now here it will be. Sir, talk with me. What is the size? What is the shape of this matrix actually? 1, 2, 3. And how many columns? 1, 2. During interview, like how the data frame having the shape attribute, array also having the shape attribute. What is the shape? Number of rows and columns. I hope you remembered actually, right? Now, if you want, still you can apply this one over this. Yeah, come on. So we are just trying to importing NumPy as NP. Nested array. Let me tell you one small point. So most of the trainer, what they will do, we need to work with numpy.array. But what is that array? No one ever highlight actually. No one ever highlight. We need to call array function. That's what. That is a close actually. If you are telling like, we need to call array, then hold on. Then s dot upper. S dot what exactly? Upper. Even during, so when he was explaining, he will tell we need to call upper actually. We need to call what exactly? The full statement will be, we need to call array function. We need to call upper method. Close the discussion actually. If you want, you can observe. Most of the trainers, what they will do, they will specify just name actually. Name you also can read, sir. I'm sorry for kidding. Are you following everyone? Yeah, make a note on this one. If you really know the topic and subject, you have to tell array is the function. Upper is a close the discussion. That's it actually. You can print A. I'm not pointing any trainer, but the level of their explanation I'm talking actually. We are explaining from scratch. The next one, indexing and sir, wherever you go, this topic it will be follow. Series having the indexing, data frame having indexing, array also having indexing. Note on this one, make a note on this. You can access NumPy array values by using indexing and slicing. NumPy array having the indexing nature. NumPy array index starts from 0. We know first element starts from 0, the second element 1 actually keep on. By using slicing also we can access the piece of array actually. The same thing like a data frame man. Children mirikad actually what you are getting, sales of 0 first value, sales of 1 second index, sales of 2 second, I mean to say 0th index, first index, second index actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. By this time, what is the time actually? What is the today date? Date Japan, sir? 17. The next one will be 02 February actually. The next one 2025. You already done minimum two times revision. I'm talking about the revision actually. What are all those things? The first one is the Python. The next one will be pandas. Next one is the pandas. By this date, I hope you already done 2 times revision. I know if anyone is not done revision Python and pandas 2 times actually, you are very in lagging actually. You are in lag. You are very lag actually. Then it's okay, don't worry. At least to start today. What exactly means start what exactly? Today to do the revision. To do what exactly? Revision. Sir, always we have an option. Till now, whatever happened, that's okay. At least here onwards, you need to do the revision actually. Can I ask one question? At least one time you done preparation. Sir, revision. Okay, so, but if you're not done, I'm sorry for saying seriously, there is a big problem for you. There is a big problem. Upcoming topics you cannot understand actually. Don't think like I'm making you to scare and fearful actually, but the real fact I'm talking with you. The day when you joined at the course, how you are more active until now maintain the same active state actually. You do one thing. Next, I will give 1 week time actually. How long time, sir? 1 week time. At least do 1 time revision. How long time? 1 time revision. It will be helpful for you. When I say Python, do only important topics revision. I have given list actually. Flow control, function, oops, data structure. That's it. Close actually. Pandas, all topics are important. Do 1 time revision. Why I'm telling these are all things, No break, sir. I will continue the session. Actually. This is your personal preparation. What exactly? Your personal preparation actually. No holidays. I'm sorry. Are you expecting holidays? No, sir. No. Good. This one is human psychology. What is a human psychology? you guys will think like it's okay, we can prepare later, you can prepare later, you can prepare later. Then the syllabus will be keep on add actual. Syllabus never stops, sir. Syllabus will be keep on add. It's okay. You have to be very dare and courageous step actually. Do the little revision. It will be helpful for you. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Your target will be, you have to finish 10 times more. Keep the target actually. The target will be 10 times revision. How many times? 10 times revision. Maybe I told one day, there was a one person, his name is Anurag actually. What is the person name? Ayo sir, when I was explaining about machine learning, I asked what is this? Quickly he's telling like this. I asked what is this? Quickly he's telling. Out of curiosity, I asked, stop the session. Oh, who is responding? Anurag actually. He is from online. I asked, straight to the question. I know. Based on your response, I can do prediction how many times you done revision actually. Straight to the point I asked, Anurag, how many times you done revision actually? All other guys are worrying. How you know, how Daniel know he done revision actually? He told 4 times actually. How many times, man? Just 4 times revision. Let me tell you, he is giving left and right to the subject actually. I given do 10 times revision. Sir, he will become trainer actually. He will become, that's it actually. More revisions, more, best example, sir, alphabets we didn't prepare 1 time. A to Z later, do you think we have prepared 1 time actually? No. 1 time cannot bring awesome result. More than 1000 times we prepared actually. While eating, we need to remember A, B, C, D, F, G. While drinking water, we need to remember A, B, C, D, F, G. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. These are all things. Am I right or not, sir? Many times. Apply the same formula. Don't think too much. How you learn A to Z letter, learn subject also like that. Same thing. Let me stop my overaction. Can I continue? Please. Do more revisions actually. I know you guys are thinking, we know very well, Daniel. You do your job actually. We will do our job. Are you thinking like that actually? No. I'm trying to. Okay. One of our teammate is telling he lost access Google Classroom actually. Anyone offline? Oh, okay. 2. Raise your hand, sir. Raise your hand, sir. Is okay. 1. Next one will be 2. I'm sorry. Let me talk with admin. What might be the reason? Owner, sir. I will talk with admin. So how come it is possible? You know, you guys are, you guys are registered, right? I will talk with admin, sir. Please don't worry. Add sir. Good. Ma'am, you also asked to admin. Asked to admin. I have an access, but I should not add. If they have deleted, there is a reason. So I need to put a light on that reason actually. Okay, cool. Keep continue. Sir, keep the target. Minimum 10 times revision helps you. Minimum? Easy. The same material you have to keep on shuffle and prepare, couple, shuffle and prepare actually. You will get an idea. Okay, back to the session, Daniel. Sir, if you really understand, let me talk with you. The first one is the details. The next one is the sales. Next one is what exactly sales. Kada? What happened? You guys are very good in preparation actually, I guess. Right? Yeah. Good. Good. Now let me give an idea. Sir, both are data only. Both are what exactly? Data only. But what is the first one? List. The next one? Array. So simple. Sometimes this one you can also call as a converting list to array. Converting list to array actually. Daniel, why? Because I wanted to process the data in a very speed actually. Array works very well. Then convert the data into list to array. If you want, I will give a small general example. What is that general example? Think like this one is a milk state, sir. What state actually? Milk state. A small babies, they are not liking the milk actually. Then mother, what she will do, from milk to, she will convert into curd actually. She will convert into curd actually. Are you getting or not, sir? So think like this one is a first stage. This one is what exactly? Second stage. Second stage actually. Don't give this reply during interview. Just for fun, I have given actually. Okay. Okay. Now we just need to access about index Daniel actually. Yeah, come on, let's do that. You guys are very good in preparation. Keep continue. You know the topic, sir, but please don't be lazy actually. Yeah. Let me stop AC actually because you guys are getting sleeping. I can sense that. Okay. Easy man. These are all very easy. We are applying slicing. Simple, sir. List, array, slicing. Access from second index. Access from 0, 1, 2. Second index to all values. Yeah, good. We are getting all the data. Look at my screen, sir. This one is a quite interesting example. Quite interesting example. If you want, I will give small clarity. The clarity will be, please focus. Hey, Daniel, think like we have created a data. We have created a data. We have created array actual special. Let me take this roll value 10, 20, 30, the next one, 40, 50, next one, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yeah, we are good to go. Sir, this column name is called as a C0. This column name is called as a C1. This one is called as a C2. Good. Team, this row name is called as a R0. Am I right? R1. The next one, R2 actually. Are you with me? Oh, sorry. This one should be R1. This one should be R2. Now here, this is the really beautiful actually. Every value having the position. Every value having position actually. Right. Now, Daniel, I wanted to talk about the 10th value position. 10th value. The 10th value position, what you need to tell, come again. Very good. R0, comma C0. Very good. Next one will be 20th value position. Very good. R0, what exactly? Now please make a note. We have to tell always row first actually. The next one will be, yeah. If you really understand, I need a response from you. R1, comma C2. Chappan sir, what is the result actually? R1, C2. R1, C2. What is the value? That's what you need to be understand. Nothing is there. Every value having the position. That position you need to recognize actually. Exactly here I'm applying the same. Boss, 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. 1 in the sense, think like a R1 and a 0. Next one will be R1, kind of some, C1 actually. R1, C2. Like this you need to be applied. You will get an idea. You will get an idea. This one will be 0, 0. I mean to say R0, C0. R0, C1. R0, C2. Something like that actually. You kindly please work on this example. You will get an idea. It is also called as a kind of some matrix actually. Daniel, can you separate this? Okay, cool. Nested list. We can make it this one is okay. Let us print matrix. I observed when I have a tea, I'm getting cough actually. Till before the session, no cough. I should avoid actually then. Sorry. Yeah, good man. Good actually. Creating a table in Google Docs. Do the opposite columns and rows in actually. Let's move on. Now, same thing like that. These are all values you can capture actually. Every value we are capturing, sir. Every value we can capture. Then definitely based on the position, you need to tell, you need to tell row position, you need to tell column position actually. We are good to go. Take this one. Position, kind of some row and column position. Okay, cool. Yeah. The next one, index error. Don't cross the range actually, otherwise you will get index error. Ayo, since Python we are learning actually. Since Python. List data structure we applied, tuple data structure we applied, series we applied, data frame we applied actually. And the same here also. One minute, let me tell you. What happened, why I'm telling practice, let me tell you. Imagine I'm working in GE company. Not imagine, I'm working actually. I wanted to tell different company. Now Daniel. My role is lead data scientist, sir. What is my role? Let me take your name. Rajesh. Think like Rajesh joined in my company. Rajesh. Let me take some different name. That name will be kind of some Raju. Raju actually. It's okay. He joined as a junior actually. He joined as what exactly? Junior. Junior data scientist in the sense kind of some fresher. He don't know anything. He don't know what exactly. Zero knowledge actually. What knowledge man? Zero knowledge. Zero knowledge. Though the company knows he's having zero knowledge, then company being a lead actually. Being what exactly, sir? Being a lead, I need to train. I need to what exactly? I need to train actually. Then during this training, I can even involve, I used to create a small meeting. That meeting, this Raju, he will get link actually. Manager also, he will get link. And other team members also will get actually. On an average, 7 team members would we have? 7 team members. Imagine these 7 team members already given the KT, but still, if anyone need revision, you can join. Like that, I need to create a mail actually. Meeku ardhamayinda leda sir? Then what happened, so one day, think like there is a Monday. Daniel, I started giving KT. To whom actually, sir? Raju. Manager also involved. Who involved? Manager also joined actually. Now here is the point. I started explaining about, KT in the sense, first I started explaining about the Python. Why? Because he is having zero knowledge. He is having, Chappan sir, zero knowledge. Let me tell you, in company level, Python training means within 5 days we need to close. Within how many? For me, 5 days introduction is not out of over actually. Naresh Haitilo. Are with me or not, sir? In company level, how they will give, within 5 days I need to close. That too, I will maintain such a nice sequence actually. That 5 days means the session will start from morning 10 and every 1 hour. So on an average 10 to 15 minutes break actually. Almost per day 4 to 5 hours I need to deliver. How long time? 4 to 5 hours. Like I need to spend long time actually. On an average, I can say 10 topics over actually. How many topics over? 10 topics over. Then, so I told do practice. What exactly mean? Do practice. Then what Raju is telling, start explaining the project. Start explaining about what exactly? Project actually. I'm sorry for saying, I got little angry. Please understand my pain actually. Understand my pain. Even manager is there. What he is asking actually? Talk with me. Explaining the project actually. Sir, I will explain. I'm capable. Trust me, you can see stars in the sky actually. Why? Because if you don't know fundamental, that's what. Being a freshers and what they will think, I wanted to see the project. What is a project if you don't know the fundamentals actually? Please understand, that's what I'm telling you. If you are really doing nice project, nice practice actually, practice, that practice helps you to understand the project. I got angry, it's not like I always, in terms of technical, I will tell. First time he asked, I told, we'll see, that one is upcoming section. Second time he told, when you will start the project, manager is there actually. Who is that? Being a fresher, you should know how to talk first actually. For me, if it is a technical, manager is there, CEO is there, I won't care actually. I told first of all, we done this topic, do the practice, and once according to your practice actually, I will analyze, then I can move on to the next topic. Then I explain the policies. Project, no one never explains, sir. You go and join in any institute actually, project, no one never explains. First of all, you have to be understand chapter based explanation. What based explanation? Then later project based explanation actually. That's what my pain. If you're not doing practice in a chapter base actually, get ready, the danger zone is the project you cannot understand. That's what. A small hint I'm giving actually. Are you with me? I need a response. Yeah, please. Conclusion of the story, do more practice. Topics actually. Then project is very easy. Project is very easy. I'm sorry, did I get angry? But that's the open fact, sir. My answer. Please do, please be good in topics actually. Later I will explain. Later I will what exactly explain about the project. Let me help you. Again he counter question actually. Daniel, when you will start project explanation? Let me know the project tentative date actually. Project date explanation. He asked again counter question. Yeah, good. My answer will be, so raising tone. Raising what exactly, sir? My tone actually. My tone. Yeah, I can. I'm a lead, sir. I can raise actually. First of all, you have to listen. And my answer will be, what is my answer, if you don't know the topics, don't know the what exactly, sir? Topics, how you will understand, how you will what exactly mean, understand what exactly project actually. Best example, let me tell you, project, nothing is there. Think like Hyderabad is one project. If you wanted to understand Hyderabad, KBHP is one location, Amirpet is one location, Dilsukh Nagar is one location, you have to roam actually. Don't roam actually. Are you getting or not, sir? So conclusion of the story, getting awareness on the specific location, you will get the global. You will get what exactly mean? Global actually. I am closing the discussion. Are you feeling boring? Now conclusion of the story, practice matters. This practice, it will be helpful to understand project actually. That's what actually. What happened, manager got laughed actually. Manager got what exactly? Laughed. I mean to say, later manager told, Daniel, I understand your pain actually. I know well which topic at what time I will cover, sir. Sir, I joined like you only. As a fresher, how Raju joined actually, I joined like that only, but I follow the protocol. And my way of response to seniors will be quite different actually. So somebody senior, he's explaining, we have to, there are some freshers in the company, they will show some attitude actually. You join with some CEO reference. I won't care. Sir, can I tell one thing? If you are having the subject actually, you no need to be care anyone actually. Care in the sense, you have to respect. But if anyone is trying to kind of some poking actually, won't care at all. First of all, in my career, I'm very good in subject. Manager, CEO, general talk actually. Oh, tell me, what is your requirement? This one is output, this one is output. That's it actually. Move on to the next task. Can I continue? Make a note on this. Okay. So, conclusion. Daniel, what you wanted to tell today actually? I can sense you are lag in practice. Lag in what exactly? Practice. If you continue the same, if you continue what exactly? Same actually. You may miss the beauty of project explanation. That is my pain actually. Project explanation, right? So, be good in practice. Practice and what exactly? Revision. Daniel, what to do practice? What to practice? ఏం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలని మీరు అడుగుతున్నారు. హౌ ఇన్నోసెంట్ you are actually. What to practice? My answer will be intelligent answer. What answer, sir? Intelligent answer actually. All our material. All what exactly? That's it actually. Don't touch any other thing. Just to prepare all our material actually. Ever hit or not, sir? Okay. Yeah. Let me close the discussion. I'm sorry. You should know, man. You should know these are all steps actually. Right. If you're skipping the project, if you're waiting for, if you're skipping the practice, waiting for a project means you're going to be see NLP and neural network actually. Sharma sir, NLP is my favorite topic. We are seeing actually NLP especially. If you want, you can Google it. In NLP, there is a library, Spacey library, not spicy library, Spacey, SPACY. I'm covering neural network also. I'm covering. Thank you. Let's move on. Where are we? Why I'm telling practice means, yeah, okay, good. Keep continue this one. Please be good in practice. Index error. What error, sir? Sir, let me help this issue actually. You have to call to online admin actually. Online admin. Do you have number? Do you have number? Let me share. Let me share. If online, if anyone is deleted from, so Google Classroom, let me help you. Online admin is Nagababu sir, I guess actually. Please be on the line, please. Let us help to our family member. Nagababu. 90630 90630 90630 42 42 468 468 actually. His name is Nagababu. Nagababu sir actually. You can just try to call him and you can just try to explain. I belongs to Daniel batch actually. I don't know. Unfortunately, my mail ID got deleted from Google Classroom. He will include you, sir. Rishi sir, I hope this helps you to fix the issue actually. Okay, keep continuing. All right. Yeah, we are getting index error. What error? Index error. I hope you already explained this example. Let's move on. Seems to be errors. A long back we read, right? Errors చదివి మనం చాలా రోజులైంది కదా. గుర్తుందా మీలో ఎవరికైనా? చూడకుండా చెప్తారా ఎవరన్నా? It's okay. Index error not there? Okay, come on. Yeah, come on. One more time. Good. Important. These are all very, very important. Don't skip actually. Okay. Creating array with all zeros. Sometimes this point you will understand later during machine learning. Sometimes I wanted a kind of some row. That row contain all our zero values. All are otherwise 10 zero values, 20 zero values, 10 crore zero values possible. You can create. Then there is a one function. Function name is a zeros. Zeros are heroes, sir. Zero actually. Yeah. Let me just try to call this one. The moment when you call this one, automatically it will create a kind of some z equals to kind of some all zeros actually np dot zeros function. What function? If you are zeros only, right? Yeah, good. If you are providing 10, 10 zeros it will create, and by default floating value, sir. By default what value? Floating value. Come on. 1, 0.0, 2, 3, 4 respectively the 10 values actually. Make a note on this one. We can do actually. That I will talk with you. Reshape, flatten, you can apply actually. Hey Daniel, sometimes I need all ones. Then there is a function name is a ones actually. Yeah, all ones you will get. Only zeros function and ones function. Daniel, I need all threes actually. What exactly mean? Apply. Yeah, you catch my. I hope you can understand my face expression, I guess actually. What error? Attribute error actually. I mean to say only zeros and ones, but not threes, fours, fives. These are. Chappan sir. Why? Because even let me tell you know about the DeepSeek actually. Backend they applied super fast computation is a floating values actually. Floating. Good question. What is asking, Hey Daniel, why the result will be what exactly floating? Sir, floating value computation is a super fast actually. Super fast especially. That was the reason. A DeepSeek model when they were creating, they are making almost embedding values will be the floating value actually. Here it will be once also hidden. Okay, cool. Let us move on very quickly. Zeros hidden, creating array with all ones actually. Yeah, all ones also. I have a question for you. What is ones? Function. What is that? Function actually. That's it. This is about the little fundamentals. Chappan sir. Yeah. A kind of some assignment you guys need to do. That's what I have given that example actually. Okay. You can check the timestamp by using this example. By using what example? Simple. You can just have to apply this example. Start time you can give, and here in between range and list you can just try to apply array actually. Apply some processing technique. Imagine your program started from kind of some 6 p.m. and end time 6:10. Then end time minus so the starting time. Here I'm formatting like I need the result will be hour, minute, second format. Then don't worry about this thing actually. The total time will be, you will get kind of some total time, hour, minute, second format actually. You guys please do work around. You will get an idea. Okay. We are good to go. So the good thing will be we done with the NumPy fundamentals. What is the next topic, sir? Attributes. Man, attributes we already know. Easy. Go back. Hey Daniel, while you are explaining about the Python, Python having classes, str, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Next one will be, yeah. Now these are all having methods. These are all having methods. These are all having methods. Daniel, talk about the pandas. Okay. Pandas also having classes. Yeah, the first one will be series. And it is having attributes. The next one is a methods. The second one, data frame, also having attributes and methods. You should aware. By this time you should aware these are all things. If you don't know this one, sorry, you are very lag actually. Please, I don't want to repeat again and again. You should know these are all things. Yeah. Now the next one will be NumPy. We are creating a kind of some class. The class object name will be kind of some array actually. No doubt at all. This one also having attributes. This one also having. That's what you need to be understand. By using NumPy, we can create an object to the array actually. Array is an object. It is also having attributes and it is also having methods actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Right, back to the session. Daniel, what do you mean by attribute? So simple. The first point, attribute returns information. Attribute returns info about an object. Then gurinchi about an object actually. Object, right? How to access actually? We can access. Am I going speed actually? We can access attribute చెప్తారా by using ఎలా access చేసుకోవచ్చు? Object name, no parenthesis. Yeah, without parenthesis. Next one, method. Yeah, very good, man. Method, no method. Operation. We can access method by using object name with parenthesis actually. What exactly mean? Parenthesis. Good. Ayyo. First one. These are all important attributes. NumPy array attributes. NumPy array having the predefined attributes to help to understand about essential functionality. First attribute shape. Good. First one is a somewhere we have seen. Yeah, in a data frame we have seen, I guess, right? Shape is the predefined attribute in NumPy array. We should access the shape attribute by using NumPy array object. By using this one, we can check number of rows and what exactly column. Same functionality. Shape attribute returns tuple as number of rows and what exactly column. Simple. That's what you need to be understand. Antaminche mundi. Yeah, you can just have to call. Okay, so let me just have to apply this. Let me print here. Let me call shape attribute. Ayyo, I need to print. Let me just try to print B actually. We are just trying to printing the array as a B. Now let me run this example. Who is admin? Okay, okay. Now let me just try to call shape attribute. Sir, how many rows and how many columns? B dot shape attribute. Row number 1, row number 2, 2 rows. And how many columns? Nice. You can just try to store. Wow, man. 2 rows and what exactly? 3 columns. Same thing like a data frame. Same thing like a data frame. Okay, good. Shape attribute. Can somebody respond actually? What is output? Nice. You guys are very good actually. Attribute error. What error? When you're accessing attribute, you know, name should be match. Otherwise, you will get an error. Error name is a NDIM. Daniel, I wanted to know number of dimension. Number of dimension actually, right? So if you wanted to know, so the number of dimension, what we need to do is, let me just try to create 10, 20. I will tell you one small shortcut actually. Please make a note on this one. And here NDIM you can pass. What you can pass? NDIM. NDIM in the sense number of dimension. I have one small question. How many square brackets? One. Then one dimension. Just like a thumb rule you can remember actually. Thumb rule you can remember. Thumb rule. How many square brackets actually? Zero dimension. Zero dimension actually. Can I get a response from you? Right, good. Now you can just to apply one dimension. Hold on, I will tell you. Sir, I am explaining the best pattern. Before entering into this teaching field, I done R&D, lot of R&D I done actually. I spent some time for material preparation. Then even I myself trained actually. What topic I need to explain? What is the order? Generally, other trainers they will explain like uh, scenario oriented. What oriented actually? Scenario oriented. But you people need chapter oriented explanation first actually. By looking at this example, instead of scenario, you need to recognize what are all keywords, what is a package name, what is a function name. That is important. That is a step number one. Most of the trainers will miss that part actually. I'm not pointing any other trainer, but the unique explanation from my side, I'm sure all our students, they are able to recognize which one is a function, which one is attribute, which one is a class. I can give guarantee actually. Chapan sir. Exactly. That's what I can give that guarantee. I'm pretty sure actually. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Sir, one, sorry, two, three, 40, 50, 60. I have a question. How many square brackets? Then two dimension. అంత మించి ఇంకేం లేదు. Just one small thumb rule you need to remember. Two dimension actually. Here starting with how many number of square brackets, then you can tell actual. If you want, you can print. Daniel, sometimes I'm unable to see array. Then print B actually. Print what exactly, sir? B. You hold on. When you're printing the B, look at the output actually. Yeah, starting with how many square brackets? Then two dimension. If it is three dimension. Four, that's it actually. No jantra mantar. Be strong in subject, sir. What happened? Yeah. Dimension, right? Hmm. Nice. I will continue tomorrow. We are good to go. Easy, these are all. Yeah. Tell me. Can we take dy? Yeah, but I didn't try, sir. Maybe we can, I guess, actually. We can. Good. We done today's session. But I will tell you tomorrow what is important in terms of real-time point of view. We are not creating manually. We have a data frame. Over the data frame, we need to call an attribute. Attribute name is the dot values actually. Then it returns array. That I will talk tomorrow. Yeah, good. Thank you. Let me just upload the material. I request you do more practice, man. All you guys are very good in listening subject, but at the same time, like be a doer actually. You should be very good practitioner. If I am in your position, I used to do day and night practice, sir. Oh, NumPy I didn't upload till now. Okay, then why you didn't remind actually? If you give me 1 minute or 2 minutes, I can. Let me know while you are preparing Daniel so-and-so topic I am unable to understand. I will help you with the revision. Daily, let me talk about the practice. Daily 2 to 3 minutes. At least you will get motivated actually. NumPy introduction. Now fundamentals and attributes today I need to upload. Running nodes also I need to upload, right? Yeah, if you want, you can start, let you go. I take care about these are all things. Please take care. And I wanted to see good practice from your faces tomorrow actually, please. Come with loaded practice, man. You have to come to the session by doing more practice. I can sense by looking at your face, either you done practice or not actually. All right, online team, thank you, man. We can connect again tomorrow actually. Thank you for joining for today's session. Thank you, man. Thank you.